This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 260 Road is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features one slide-out, a River Rock interior, sleeps 4, Colorado Detector, Slideout, microwave, spare tire kit, air conditioning, oven, external shower, self-contained, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 260 Road is 7,948 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.